Hey guys, what's going on? Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. I wanted you to see what my lettuce plants look like. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters, and what they do is that they grow your food with no human intervention. And they grow it really well. And so, man, look how fleshy this is. Isn't that beautiful? That is gorgeous. That's absolutely beautiful. And so I've got I had about 10 of them in here, 10, 15, I guess, with a tomato plant and some celery. And they seem to be doing pretty well. Nobody's bothering them. They're not saying anything. And they look pretty. Oh my gosh, isn't it gorgeous? That's beautiful. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. And what they do is that they grow your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. This is beautiful. That is so beautiful. And very fleshy. I'm bringing it in right now because I need to make me a salad. And I'm going to use this as my salad, my base, my salad. And it's been growing in my torpedo pot now for, about 3-4 months now. 3 months, I guess. 3. And it's been doing real great. It's been doing real great. So I decided to stick a tomato plant inside of there. So yeah, so this is about the amount of leaves I'm going to get off this. And it's quite a bit, and they're very fleshy. So even though they may look to be old and rigid, no, they're not. These are very fleshy leaves. Torpedo pot feeds and takes care of your plants. Look at the consistency. It's amazing. It's amazing. Yes, that bronze look is inside of it. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Man, it's about to go to seed. So I don't want it to go to seed. So I've got to cut it down because I need something to eat. So let's cut this bad boy down, see what we get from it. How big it really is. Now sometimes we can't appreciate how big it is. So look how big that stalk is. Isn't that huge? Man, that lettuce has been running now. Oh my gosh, I'm going to cut it, okay? Oh, look at that. Man, torpedo pot does grow your food, guys. Man, all you have to do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter. And voila, look at that. That's just one. Dude, I've been eating like this all along. Look how beautiful that tender stalk is. Dude, that's amazing. Not how healthy that is. That is super dosey healthy, man. That is super dosey healthy. So I'm going to carry these in. I'm going to wash them off and get them nice and cleaned up. And I'm going to put them in my food. That's what it does. Torpedo pot is the world's first self-growing planter. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in your planter, and it grows your food for you. These thin ones you see growing, well, this will be my second harvest off of those. All right, Darrell, I said, oh, that's so gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? So, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Man, wouldn't you like to have lettuce like that? I sure would. Torpedo pot is the way to get the nutrients and vitamins in your body if you haven't been doing it already. All you do is put your seeds in this planter, put your plants in a planter, and it literally grows your food for you. You'll never have to grow your food again in your life. And it's so beautiful. All right, I'm going to talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye. How am I going to put this down to even lift it up? It's amazing. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? That stalk is. How fleshy all of that is. That's amazing, guys. That's torpedo pot. See, that's why I don't have problems with my nutrition. My nutrition, when I turn that knob on the bottom of that planter, that logo, that means that it grows your food for you. And you'll never have to grow your food again in your life.